So, well, super fan here. Have you ever had guests over and you wanted to serve them something that has a little bit more substance than water? Or perhaps you wanted to have a little wake-up call when you wake up in the morning? Well, I might just have the thing for you. It's called coffee. You should try it too. Depending on your house, you might be able to find coffee right under your noses. Some of them might actually be filled in these little tiny jars. Coffee is a brown powder. And I have two brown powders, this one and this one. The best way to find out which powder the coffee is by giving it a sniff. Now this powder here, give it a little sniff. Ooh, what does it smell like? Smells like sweetness. My childhood. Chocolate. That's very nice. That's hot chocolate. You could serve it to your guests as well, but they wouldn't think you're a sophisticated person. Not like me. This one here is the money maker. Smell that. What does it smell like? The bitterness of adult life. Finding the coffee might be the hard part, but making the coffee is the easy part. It's simple, really. All you need is coffee and a jug of hot water. Now, depending on your taste, you might want your coffee really strong. Usually just 1 teaspoonful. Or you could make it really weak, like a pleb that you are. Well, I'm not a pleb, so I like to use a whole teaspoon. Ooh. See? That's really weak. What the heck? Then let's go for 2 teaspoons, because I'm a strong boy. That's coffee right there. Congratulations! You can now serve some coffee to your guest like a sophisticated person. Yeah, you can add some sugar or you can add some milk. So, this has been super fan and I hope you enjoy yourself. Make some coffee, serve them to your customers or guests, and make sure that you leave a like and subscribe. I have to say it, it's YouTube rules. And see you next time. Oh, hey there! You're still here? Well, I guess I could show you a little something that I like to do when I don't like my coffee. Now, I'm not a professional barista or anything, but I do have this espresso machine. Now, real coffee starts off with real beans. I mean, they do use beans in the instant coffee, but we're talking about freshly ground beans here. I like my coffee strong, so I like to make sure that I have 2 shots. There we go. Now this espresso machine is fairly small, so I can't really... It's fairly slow, but it does the job done. You can only make about 2 cups in one go, but that's plenty enough. Because, you know, I'm the only person who knows how to use this in this house. Properly anyways. If you compare this with the instant coffee, you can just see how dark it is. Now of course there's different ways to make proper coffee, but I usually just go for the standard latte. You know, with the steamed milk and everything. More importantly, if you want to be able to make cafe art, latte art, something like that. You think? Yeah, I think that's good enough. You can't just, well you could I guess. It's like, well I have no idea. I seriously have no idea. Just a bit more milk. Woo! Right? And there's proper coffee right there. Woo! It's too bubbly in the top side, it's not flat. And so that has been making coffee with me, ya boy, Superfan. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.